Massive fire erupts at Modinagar factory. 25 fire engines battling flame for over 7 hours. Factory lacked safety measures after 2013 fire. A massive fire broke out late last night at a medical accessory factory in Modinagar, Ghaziabad, causing chaos and raising serious concerns about fire safety. Firefighters have been battling the blaze for hours with no casualties reported yet. At around 11:30 p.m., a fire erupted at a 3-story medical accessory factory in Modinagar, Ghaziabad. The factory, which had previously been reduced from 5 stories to 3 due to a similar fire in 2013, was once again engulfed in flames, this time more intense and devastating. Smoke visible 3 kilometers away. Firefighters struggles. More than 10 fire engines rushed to the scene, but as of this morning, the fire is still not fully under control. The flames visible from as far as 3 kilometers away have been raging for over 7 hours, posing a significant challenge to the firefighters on the ground. In total, 25 fire engines have been deployed in an effort to contain the fire. Fire officer faces major challenges in controlling the blaze. Fire Safety Officer Amit Chaudhary, overseeing the operation, shared the difficulties they are facing, stating that this is a massive fire and we are doing everything we can to bring it under control. The scale of the blaze has made it extremely challenging, but our teams are working tirelessly. Fortunately, there have been no casualties reported so far.
आग के कारण अभी स्पष्ट नहीं हो पाया है, क्योंकि प्रारंभिक तौर पर आग बुझाने की कार्रवाई लगातार चल रही है। लगभग 3 घंटों से 9 गाड़ियाँ आग फाइटिंग का कार्य कर रही हैं।
10 workers rescued. No casualties reported. Industrial area at risk. Urgent need for fire safety upgrades. The factory lacked essential safety measures which have worsened the situation. Despite the previous fire incident in 2013, improvements in fire safety were minimal, leading to further risk. However, firefighters managed to save 10 factory workers, evacuating them safely before the flames spread further. Viral video shows towering flames. Videos of the fire have gone viral on social media, showing towering flames and thick smoke into the night sky. The intense heat and spread of the fire have sparked concerns among nearby residents and industrial workers. Authorities are urging factory owners across the region to revisit and upgrade their safety measures to prevent such incidents. Investigations will soon follow to determine the cause of the disaster. A fire that refuses to be extinguished and a factory once again in ashes. What could have been done differently? We'll keep following this developing story. News Desk reports such the reality.